Now we know that when the relation is said to be equivalence, right? When the relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Is when any relation is given, right? In the set A with any set, then if we want to check that the relation is reflexive or not, we have to check that for every A belongs to capital A, right? Ordered pair A comma A should be in R. Means when any relation is given in the set A and we want to check that the relation is reflexive, right? Then, as per example, if A is set 1, comma 2, comma 3, then ordered pair 1, comma 1, 2, comma 2, 3, comma 3, all three should be there in the relation. Now, if you want to check that the relation is symmetric or not, then for any ordered pair, as per example, ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to R, then we have to interchange 1 and 2, means ordered pair 2, 1 should also be in R. As for every ordered pair AB belongs to R, right? Then ordered pair B also belongs to R. Then the relation is symmetric. When a relation is transitive, for every AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, AC should be there. That means we have to, if for any relation we have to get such pair like ordered pair AB, ordered pair BC. That means second element of ordered pair AB with B should be first element of ordered pair BC. Right? Means we have to find out such pair, and if for every such pair ordered pair AC belongs to R, for every such pair ordered pair AC belongs to R, then the relation is transitive. But if AC does not belong to R, we say that R is not transitive relation. Remember one another point, that if we are not able to get such pair in the relation, right, then also we say that the relation is transitive. Because for to say that relation is not transitive, we have to get such ordered pair AC, where AC does not belong to R, right? But when can we get the ordered pair AC? If there is a pair like AB and BC in R. But if there is no such pair, in that case, right, we are not able to say that the relation is not transitive. That means relation is a transitive, right? As per example, for the set A, equal to 1 to 3, R is a relation. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Right? We know that this relation, just we have to check, this relation is reflexive. But here there is no ordered pairs like AB and BC, right? Because for any ordered pair, second element of any ordered pair is not first element of any ordered pair. Within this relation, we are not able to get such pair. Therefore, remember this point, that if you are not able to get such pair, then the relation is transitive. Means this relation is transitive. Now, if we check that the relation is symmetric or not, means what we have to check, for every ordered pair AB, just we have to interchange the element, and if that ordered pair is again in the relation R, the relation is naturally symmetric. For the relation 1, 1, when we interchange 1 and 1, again we get the same ordered pair for all the three, right? Therefore, this relation is symmetric. Which here R is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive, with the relation R is naturally an equivalence relation. As per example, suppose R is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2, to 1. Now let us think about the relation is reflexive, symmetric, transitive or not. Here 1 1 belongs to R, but 2 comma 2, here 2 2 does not belong to R. That means, right, for every A belongs to R, A belongs to R, right, does not satisfy. Therefore, this relation is, right, A 2 2 does not belong to R. Therefore, this relation is not reflexive. Here 1 1, when we interchange, we again get 1 1, that is there. 1 2 and 2 1 belongs to R, right? That means here for every ordered pair AB, BA belongs to R, means here R is symmetric. Right? Here 1 2 belongs to R, 2 1 belongs to R, then 1 1 belongs to R. But 2 1 belongs to R, 1 2 belongs to R, 2 1 belongs to R, 1 2 belongs to R. Naturally, these two ordered pairs are like this, right? Therefore, but 2 2 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. Right? Means when any relation is given and we want to check that the relation is reflexive, symmetric or transitive or not, right? Again I will repeat. For to check reflexivity, we have to see the set A. If set A consists 1 2 3, then the R relation R is reflexive only when ordered pair 1 1 2 2 and 3 3 all should be there. For to check symmetric, the relation is symmetric or not, for every ordered pair of R, just we have to interchange the element and again we get that a member of R. For every ordered pair of R, then we say that the relation is symmetric. For to check that the relation is transitive or not, in that case, always we have to find out such ordered pairs AB and BC. Right? Right? As per example, AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, AC belongs to R. If we are another ordered pair, BD belongs to R, and then also AD belongs to R. Right? This we have to take on all ordered pairs whose first element is B. And if you are able to find out one ordered pair, as per example, suppose B belongs to R, right? But B belongs to R, but AE does not belong to R. In that case, the relation is not transitive. Means what we have to check here, we have to find out such ordered pairs. Such ordered pairs is like ordered pairs AB and BC of R. Right? But if you are not able to find out such ordered pairs in the relation, in that case also relation is transitive. Now let us think about some first exercise. Exercise 1.1. First example. Determine whether of the following relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. In that first one is relation R in the set A is defined as this relation is given, right? Here R is a relation naturally here, X and Y both belong to A, right? Now when ordered pair X, Y belongs to R, if 3x minus y is equal to 0. Now let us write R here. Here the relation is R is given in set Middleton form. Now let us write R let us write R, right, in roster form. Now when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, means 1, 3 belongs to R. When x is equal to 2, right, y is equal to 3x. When x is equal to y is equal to 6. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. X is equal to 4, y is equal to 12. When x is equal to 5, but this ordered pair is not there in the relation because 15 is not there. Therefore, the relation R consists these 4 members. Now we want to verify that, we want to check that the relation is reflexive or not. Naturally here 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, right, all not in R. Therefore, R is not reflexive. Right? Now let us think about ordered pair 1, 3. 1, 3 belongs to R. If we interchange 1 and 3, ordered pair becomes 3, 1. But 3, 1 is not in R. Right? Here 1, 3 belongs to R. But 3, 1 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not symmetric. When the relation is symmetric, for every AB belong to R, BA should be there. But here 1, 3 belong to R, but 3, 1 does not belong to R. This relation is not symmetric. Now let us think about transitivity. Here 1, 3 belong to R, 3, 9 belong to R. Right? In every relation we have to get such pair A, B and B, C. Here 1, 3 belong to R, 3, 9 belong to R. But 1, 9 does not belong to R. Therefore, R is not transitive. Right? When the relation R is equivalence, when R obeys R satisfies, is when R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. But here R is not reflexive, not symmetric, not transitive. Therefore R is not an equivalence relation.
स्टॉप करूं?
Now let us think about
पहले सर नो फोन